Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the BrightWish Candlelight. Ooh, this rechargeable candle light is really beautiful, as you can see. We have a lot of candles, 6 of them as you can see, and one reloading plate, one hub, and a remote. When fully charged, the indicator light on the base will automatically turn off. Or, first of course, if it is recharged, is green. We then can enter all candles which are turned to the off position. We insert the bottom of each candle into the charging base one by one. Then we insert the Type-C output plug from the adapter into the charging base. The base indicator will light up red, and then after a couple of hours or minutes, it will be reloaded, done, and you can start by switch on the BrightWish Candlelights. When the candle is fully charged, the base light will automatically turn off again, and the candle has a circuit protection chip with which it can effectively prevent safety hazard caused by overcharging. No problem for it. When the candle light is significantly dim mid-charging, to make the most of the battery, we should put the switch into off position when not used for a long time, but if we are going to use them, of course we have to switch them on. We turn the switch of the candle light to position on. We lay the candle into an on position flat on the table, for example, the remote control aimed at the candle, and we press the on button. After finishing, the remote control can work normally. The remote control is aimed at the handle and press the off button to turn it off. The candlelight will be switched off, as you can see. After the candlelight is turned off, we turn on the candles by pushing on, and it will be on. And of course we have more options there with the remote. The remote control distance is 3 up to 5 meters. The remote control angle is 30 degrees. The charging voltage of the base is 5 volt. That means you can use your AC adapter from your smartphone. You can use an USB socket. You can use a power pack, a power bank, or a tablet or a computer to recharge these BrightWish candlelights. The charging current is 2000 millipower. The working time of them, if they are fully charged, is 60 hours. That's a long time. There are 10 keys on the remote. We have on and off for turning the lights on and off. We have a timer function with 2 hours, 4 hours, 6 hours, 8 hours for timer function. And we can press the 2-hour button. After 2 hours, the light will turn off itself or automatically, and will turn off then, and saves time. It saves energy after the preset time. If we press the 4H button, after 4 hours the light will switch off automatically. And that's cool for power supply. That is not so much energy will be lost. And then we have a 6 hours button and an 8 hours button to make them in 8 or 6 hours, of course. We can press the candle button with the candle lights, and it will flicker or it will not flicker. Okay, it will be stable then. We can choose between them, or we use the DIM button for dimmable, so we can make a minus or plus. Minus will be light down. A plus will light up a little bit the BrightWish Candlelight. This is a really beautiful candlelight formation of 6 candlelights, and you can use them where you like, indoor, to make a beautiful and nice atmosphere while there is Christmas time, autumn, or spring. Or summertime at the night time. It's no prop for it. Or you can use the BrightWish Candlelight for go to the toilet at night time. Maybe it's too dark in your room, then you can switch it on and go to the find the toilet by using this BrightWish Candlelights. So many possibilities are for that candlelights, and it's a nice fact that we can recharge the battery, which is included. Really cool. You do not have to replace them, you can recharge them. That's much better for the nature, much better for yourself. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.